right in the corner, guys. Check it out. Hey, what's happening, everyone? Just made it to Brazil last night, crossed the border quite late in the day, around 10 at night or so. Super sleepy right now. Barely woke up around 10 minutes ago. It's almost 9 a.m. and I'm heading to the Iguazu Falls on the Brazilian side. They open at 9 o'clock, but I was so tired. I wanted to get there around 8:30, but I was not able to wake up. Plus, I got to go and grab something to eat because yesterday the crepes that I had at the hostel in Paraguay were the only thing that I had since when we got here. Everything was closed. So yeah, again, still waking up along the way, but yeah, hopefully today we got some great stuff for you guys. The weather's excellent, and you know, hopefully it's going to stay that way. You know, we're on the waterfalls, you never know. So yeah, stay tuned and see what's up. Just made it at the Iguazu Falls entrance, and there's quite a few people, as you can tell, in line here, waiting on the buses to take you in the national park. So probably in 10-15 minutes we'll be there. Okay guys, I just made it to the waterfalls at the entrance, and we already have some exciting views. I mean, check it out. Woo! Yep, made like 3 or 4 steps, and we got this splendid view. Man, it's hard to describe. I was not expecting it to be this fast. The trail is around 1.5 kilometers. But yep, speechless. Let's zoom in a little bit. So I was told that the park consists of 281 waterfalls, ranging from 40 to 80 meters. Not super high, but definitely extremely wide, large scale. You know, Paraguay used to have the waterfalls, and you know, after the war, with everything that happened, they lost part of the territory, and that part of the territory was the waterfall of Iguazu. So you know, they say over 1 million tourists each year come to visit the falls, either on the Brazilian side or the Argentinian side, which is right there. Not sure exactly if you guys can see any of the people on the bridges there. Maybe right there a little bit. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, so right there, that's the Argentinian side. So it's starting to get louder and louder and louder. Not sure if you guys can hear right now, but in case I do lose my voice or whatever, you know, in case you guys cannot hear me, you know, you'll know why. So although we got these trees right here in front, most likely there's another point view where you can get some of the waterfalls underneath as well. So you kind of see, man, there's some interesting birds. Yeah, then most likely there's a better view where we can see, you know, the stage, the levels of the waterfall, and then we got more right there. So again, guys, you know, it's the biggest in the world, not the tallest, but it's the largest in the world, and it was voted one of the 7 new natural wonders of the world. You know, when they did the new classification, the new bucket list of new wonders of the world. You know, they decided, hey, what the hell, let's do a natural wonder of the world, a natural wonder of the world list as well, and the Iguazu Falls is part of it. So yeah, check it out. Got to a better spot right here. It's actually a little bit packed with people, but you know, you can definitely see why. You know, it has a splendid view. You can see the waterfalls, quite nice, and I do recommend, if you do come on the Brazilian side, you have to come early in the morning. That's when the sun is going to illuminate the waterfalls and you're going to get clear views, right? A lot of times that's what makes, you know, 80% of the photos, just going at the right time, you know, going when the light is right. One of the coolest parts about waterfalls in general are the rainbows, guys. You know, especially, you know, if it's sunlight outside, sun is shiny, you get the sparkly rainbow from the water. Yeah, check it out. So it is really warm today, guys. 34 Celsius, sweating like a dog. I don't know if you guys can see me. No, it's not the sprinkle from the waterfall. Oh, but look what we got here. What's up, buddy? Yeah, the people on the bus, they advise us not to feed these animals. They said they can get really dangerous when they start smelling food. They look like they're raccoons, that's what they look like, but yep, they're not raccoons for sure. There you go, there's more all over. And search for food like any other wild animal. Yeah, there were actually some photos at the entrance of the park. There were actually some photos at the entrance of the park showing people that got bit, you know, their fingers ripped off by these possums, raccoons, or whatever the heck they are. As you can tell, at the waterfall, there's a ton of people, especially right there at the end where you get, you know, a little bit soaked by the waterfall, no doubt, man. So yeah, we gotta go somewhere around there and, you know, make our way through all the way in the middle of the waterfall. Yeah, guys, so it's very loud here. I have no idea how well you can hear me, and it's very misty. So I'm probably gonna shut this camera down, take some nice slow footage with my other camera, and I'll see you guys when I head back up. But whew, it's misty. Like the footage, you know, you cannot tell how vast, how grand the waterfall is, you know, the complex. You cannot call it a waterfall, right? It's definitely a complex of waterfalls. We got a little closer to the big one right here, the father of all waterfalls. Right in the corner, guys, check it out. Purely phenomenal, guys. Heading back, it was, you know, it's hard to describe. It's hard to quantify. It's hard to put into words. You know, it's one of those places that you have to experience. It's so vast, hundreds of meters, hundreds of waterfalls. You know, it's just phenomenal. yeah, you'll get wet, that's for sure. So if you do have a poncho, you know, grab a poncho. If not, you can buy a poncho for around 5 real. Yeah, and by the way, the entrance ticket was 69 real. 57, I believe, was the main ticket price, and then whatever they throw on top, you know, service fees and this fee or whatever. And the trees are spectacular as well. Check out the branches. You know, hundreds of years old, most likely. Oh my God, look at that lizard, guys. Check it out. Again, biodiversity at its best. Okay, so they are called Cuates, the little possum look-alike. And here are some of the images that they show. People feeding them, and you know, them going all the way for the food. Cuates. Never heard of that before, but anyway, here's the departure spot. Have to go on a line, but most likely gonna go a little bit and see what they have around, and you can see the Iguazu River right here in the back. Let's go and see a little bit. It's quite large, quite vast. You know, no wonder it's forming such a huge waterfall. And they're all the way in the back. That's the Argentina side. And you can see people witnessing the waterfall from above. So that's why some people recommended going on both sides, because you get different perspectives, different views. So guys, that was it from Foz de Iguazu. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the footage as much as I did exploring it, or at least half. You know, phenomenal. I cannot compliment Foz de Iguazu enough. Hopefully you guys can make it one day. It's 100% worth the effort. You know, it's a little bit remote compared to other places, but it does have an airport, which makes it very, very convenient. Till next time, guys, gratitude should be the only attitude, and I'll see you from Rio. Take care.